Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the machine check exception error in Windows 11. The first solution that you should always take in consideration is to update the drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button and select Device Manager from the list of options. In the Device Manager window, make sure to expand Display Adapters by double-clicking it. Now select the problematic device and select the Update Driver option. In here, just click on Search automatically for drivers and Windows will try to find the best possible drivers for your PC. You can then check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type Memory Diagnostic and simply select it from the search results as Windows Memory Diagnostic. Now the last thing you have to do in here is simply click on the Restart Now and Check for Problems button. Windows will restart and start checking for any issues on your PC. You can then check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to perform an SFC and Check Disk scan. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type CMD and then run command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, just make sure to type the following commands but press enter after each command. Note that these scans can take a bit of time, so don't lose the patience. Afterwards, you can restart your PC and then you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another great solution is to run the startup repair. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the recovery section and click on it. Now what you have to do is click on the Restart Now button to make sure you enter in the Advanced Startup menu. In here you can start by selecting the Troubleshoot option, and afterwards select Advanced Options. Finally, just click on Startup Repair to fix these issues with the OS that are causing the blue screen of death errors. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.